Oh my god, this 18-wheeler just pulled down this power line. Oh, dang, that thing went flying. Oh, Jesus. Where's it at? Oh my goodness. Dang, look at all that cable. Well, there went the internet. That thing has been hanging pretty low. Oh, there goes the support wires. I hope it don't fall on me. Dang it. I wonder how far he drug it. Oh man, I gotta go into this thing. What do you bet he just rolls? Dang, it knocked over their mailbox too! Oh my goodness. Homie, where you going? I don't know, I'd probably do the same thing. Dang, support's all the way down here. Oh my goodness. Look at that mess. We aren't gonna have internet for days. Yo, it's 40 through here. I'm doing 75 trying to catch up, and he is gone. Oh my goodness. I figured I'd catch him in this corner. Oh, there he is. God, he's scooting. Let's see if he makes this turn going that fast. Oh. Nope. Oh, it's some kind of like modern piano moving specialist. 26 Echo 2 Delta Kilo.